Hi, my name is Gala. I am a Google Data Studio expert, and today I would like to talk about optional metrics. Let's find this chart, website users. On this section we have 6 score boxes and one line chart with 3 lines. But probably you could be interested in not only total active and new users, you want to see this kind of users as well. And we have this option. Let's check how can we add them. We can click edit. We can find this chart here. Select this time chart. And on the right menu we have optional metrics. Let's switch it on. For example, we want to move new users here, and we can add here till 10 fields. We can add here 1 day active users, 7 day active users, and 28 day active users. When we add them, we can see only 2 lines on the chart, but on the settings we can see that we added more. Let's go to the view mode again, and in the beginning we see these 2 lines as we saw before, but on the right top corner we can see small icon optional metrics. We can click here, and now we have these 2 checkbox selected, and these 4 fields we can add new users. For example, we want to see these users, and we don't want to see total and active users, and you see, so we have our 3 lines here. We can select all of them, etc. I think it's super nice instrument. It could make your report more powerful, more interactive, more interesting to use, and you don't need to show all 6 lines at the same time because it's a bit messy, but you can compare just 2 of them that you are interested in, for which metric do you have questions right now. These optional metrics you can find for score boxes as well, and almost for all charts in Google Data Studio. Hope you like it. That is it about optional metrics. Use it, make your report beautiful and powerful, and see you soon.